Hello everybody, it's Alexander Turnbull from René of Paris Aderans. Happy Valentine's Day, happy Galentine's Day. Today I'm going to do two different looks on one of my favourite wigs. So I'm very prepared for this time of year. I've got a Valentine's Day balloon, I've got a Galentine's Day balloon, I've got all my equipment here and one of my favourite wigs. I think this looks great for this time of year, you know, that gorgeous red. So this is from the Orchid Collection and this is Naya in shaded amber. Now shaded amber it's got a root, got all these different colours in here. You can see we've got this kind of wavy, kind of disconnected bob, which just looks, you know, just looks stunning. You know, this extra hair around here, it just looks beautiful. So I'm gonna do a really outrageous Valentine's Day look, and I'm gonna do a sophisticated and classy Galentine's Day look, or maybe the other way around. We'll see. You can see got our beautiful lace front and the lace part there. Look at that colour, ladies and gentlemen. You know, the shaded amber really is stunning, and it makes it, you know, those gorgeous tones running through, offset with that root in there, just looks so special. I'm going to section this panel, just a standard clip. I'm going to take a section of hair like this, two pieces, and turn that round. I'm just going to put a grip at the base here, and then I'm going to take another section here. Just going to put a little twist in there. So the idea is, you know, we just want a little bit of detail. Doesn't want to look overdone. You know, nice and soft, kind of fun, kind of party hair if you like. So just, you know, have a little bit of fun with it. Put a grip over that section. And the bobby pins really, ladies and gentlemen, are just to create us, you know, a little bit of security there, so we just can get that kind of movement up so we can see what's going on. So it's just, we just want a little bit of detail and to get this hair out of the way. So if you just see for the final section what I'm going to do, just practice, 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 practice. See there, look, put that little knot in that side, and I'm just going to put a grip. Now the beauty with this piece is most of the work is done for you because it already has that stunning wave pattern in there. And we're just gonna go and do a very, very similar thing on the next side. Now don't worry about both sides being identical. You know, Naya is quite a soft piece. It's designed to be worn soft, so, you know, we don't want to be over complicating it. It's not like when everybody has seen me do more complicated looks. So I'm going to take a section of hair under one another like that, like a chain, a section. Now this piece of hair here that I whipped out the way, I'm just going to let that fall down on its own. I think it'll look quite nice. And then take that section up like this. Nice kind of look running through. So I'm just going to take a bobby pin. See how that's just coming down. Take that other little grip, so we get this kind of finish on the side. So it's like a little chain, which looks really, really quite lovely. Now I'm going to just add a little bit of flowered detail, you know, which looks great for this time of year. This could even be, you know, worn as a bridesmaid or a bridal look. Here we have look number one. Got some gorgeous detail in there, these lovely flowers, and I've just put like a couple of little knots through there. Now, as you know, it's Naya in shadowed custard, so we don't really have to do too much with the back because it's already kind of cut into there for us. So we've already got a lovely bit of detail in there. Now we're going to go for something a little bit more outrageous. So I've got this fabulous heart. So if you can see, it's got this comb on it. We can actually use the band to work for us by getting the hair out of the way. With the big heart being on this side, I am going to take our hair and move it over this side. So we're going with a very, very, very vintage, cool feel here. Using the comb just to hold that for me that 1 second. Opening the grip, add that into. Going to put some bobby pins in at the nape. So see we're encouraging that shape to go across in that direction. Follow on this kind of vintage feel. Take a little band here. Now this helps just to, if you want to just tuck that hair out the way. Look number 2, we've got an outrageous heart in there, which just looks great. You can see what I've done is I've rolled this bob up to give us this really kind of stunning, classical, kind of vintagey feel. And that just looks beautiful. You know, I mean, it really does look something, doesn't it? You know, you can imagine that thundering down a catwalk, just looking awesome. Which one did you prefer? Look number 1, look number 2, let us know. From me, Alexander Turnbull at René of Paris and Aderans, thank you so much for joining us. Please don't forget, click and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Carry on watching us on all social media, and we'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.